Hello guys, this is Shivani Sengar. I worked as an intern at LEXCLIQ company. Today I'm here to put my views on how to file an FIR. So let's get started. First, information report. What you can do when you have seen something happening around you. The who can file an FIR. The person who has seen the happening of the crime, or the person who is related to a particular person. The person who is seen the happening of the particular crime, or the police itself can file an FIR in a particular case. You can also give a telephony communication to the police if you cannot go to the police station. If they feel like lodging an FIR, they can lodge an FIR. What is the basis of lodging an FIR? When you go to the police station, what happens, you have to give a written complaint about what has happened or incident. When you give that particular incident in written, the police see it that whether that crime is a cognizable crime or a non-cognizable crime. Friends, I would like to tell you that what is the difference between cognizable and non-cognizable offense. First, the cognizable offense is the offense which are criminal in nature in a simple word. And a non-cognizable offense are the offense which are non-criminal in nature. The example of the cognizable offense are murder, rape, robbery, or any criminal offense, or any offense related to a women or children, that is cognizable in nature. And second is non-cognizable in nature, that is defamation or anything you have misplaced, that is a non-cognizable offense in that particular case. The police do not file an FIR when told by a person. Then what happened when you go to the police station? When you go to the police station for lodging an FIR in a particular case, the police will ask the particular incident that will they will write it down on a paper, and they will read it for you. If you cannot read it or write it, or if you can read it, or you can read it itself, and then you have to sign it on that particular complaint. That complaint will be carried forward, as I have told you, on the basis of cognizable offense. They will file an FIR, and they will lodge an FIR, and they will be given to you for the signature, and the copy will also be given to you free of cost, so that you can keep it with you as a evidence. There are four copies of FIR. First is given to you, second is kept in the police station itself, and the third is for the court, and the fourth is for the senior officers. Secondly, I would like to tell you about the jurisdiction. Jurisdiction is the area where the crime has happened, which you can file an FIR, whichever police station is nearest to you from the place of the for example, if you have crime committed in the area where you do not belong, or you are not a resident of that particular place, then you can also file an FIR. That is your right. That is called a zero FIR. Zero FIR will be filed by a police, and after that they will transfer that copy to your area for the investigation. If you have conveyed it to the police on the phone, they will first investigate that particular matter, that particular incident is real or not, and after preliminary investigation, uh, preliminary that particular incident is real or not, and after preliminary investigation they can file an FIR. Thirdly, friends, I would like to tell you that sometime it happens that when you go to the police station, nobody listens to you. Then what's your right? What you can do if the police station present over there is not listening to you? Then you have many other options also. You can approach to the superintendent of police or any senior officer, and you can give it to written to them on their order, and the police has to take action and file your FIR. And the second, if that option is not working for you, you can go to the area magistrate, give a written complaint to them, and they have a right under the CRPC 154 clause 3 to order to that particular police station to file your. Third, you can go file and complain to the State Human Right Commission, the Central Human Right Commission. Two, these are the things which you can do when the police are not working in your favor. Fourthly, friends, I want to tell you that sometimes it happens that somebody lodges an FIR which is false in nature. That means you haven't done anything. Then if the FIR has lost against you, you cannot quash it because the police does not have the power to quash it. So you can go to the High Court under section 482 CRPC. The High Court has a right to quash that particular FIR if you have a valid evidence with you. That's all. Thank you.